When my joints creak louder than my kitchen door, I know it's turmeric ginger time. This little portion is my golden excuse to sip tea and call it therapy. Boil 2 teacups of milk, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 inch turmeric, 1 inch ginger. Grate turmeric and ginger finely. Once milk comes to a boil, lower the heat. Add grated ginger and turmeric, 2 pinches of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Simmer 1 minute until raw turmeric smell goes away. Strain into 2 transparent cups. Find a company and sip hot. It's cozy, comforting. If you have inflamed joints, sore throat, try my ginger turmeric milk tea. It will help. That's it. Thanks for watching.